This video is sponsored by Skillshare.
Hey Epic Crafters, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this into this and this into this.
What are you doing here? I don't know, I thought that video is about me, not you guys. Okay. Please, we leave then.
Hey, I'm Waffle. I used to work in the movie industry as a professional Steadicam operator until I discovered that I could make pretty much any of the movie props I'm so passionate about using only that. But making movie props out of cardboard wasn't good enough.
That's not good enough!
Also, I wanted to make them as screen accurate as possible, but that was still not good enough.
Not enough.
So I decided to create this YouTube channel where I show you how to make them step by step with templates so that you can make them yourself at home even if you're not a professional prop maker like me.
That's good for me.
So if you are new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next epic build with cardboard.
Do it.
In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this very cool Boba Fett armor using only cardboard, paper, some glue and a few simple tools. Of course, you'll find the complete list of everything I used in the description box below, as well as all templates necessary for you to make it yourself at home.
You can make it.
Now let's dive right into the video.
The first thing to do is cutting out the templates that you'll find in my shop in the description box below. Next, glue them on your pieces of cardboard using a regular glue stick like this one. Afterwards, using a precision knife, a box cutter or very sharp scissor, cut out the pieces.
I'm expecting precision here.
Next, if you can, remove the patterns and transfer the numbers. You'll have to do that for all the following pieces of this tutorial.
Question of the day: what prop from Star Wars would you like me to make in a future video? Let me know in the comment section below.
So first, cut the piece number 1 from the templates number 1. Crush it lightly in the direction of the corrugations.
Smash.
To end up with a light curve like that. Next, using very thin uncorrugated cardboard, like the ones you receive from Amazon for the small items, or several boxes, cut another piece number 1. And glue both of them on top of each other using white glue. The idea here is to give to the predominant surface of your armor a very smooth look, so that this kind of corrugated flows won't be visible at the end. Cut 3 small squares from the templates number 3 and glue them on top of each other. Make 2 like that and glue them on this axe here. To have something that looks like this. Next, using the same templates, make another identical one, but reverse the pieces. And glue them together on this edge here. To do so, I used a cheap 15-watt hot glue gun. Don't forget that you'll find all products and tools that I use in the description box below. Cut the piece number 2 from the templates number 3. Crush it lightly with your fingers in the direction of the corrugations. to end up with a nice curve like that, and glue the notch here. You'll have several of them to glue on this tutorial. Try to glue them as tightly as you can, as they will allow you to get the right shape of your armor. As you did before, apply white glue on it. And cut an outer piece number 2 from the same uncorrugated cardboard you used before, give it a slight curve, and the same way glue the notch. And of course, glue both of them on top of each other the same way you did for the piece number 1. Using the same template, make an outer one but reverse the pieces, and glue both of them together on this edge here. Now you can assemble the element number 1 with the element number 2. Glue both of these edges together, as well as these two on the other side. So that you end up with something that looks like that. Next, cut the piece number 4 from the template number 5. As you did before, crush it lightly in the direction of the corrugations. To give it a light curve like that, and close all the notches with your hot glue gun. And the same way you did before for the neck pieces, cut another identical one from a thin uncorrugated cardboard. Close all the notches and glue both of them on top of each other. To do so properly, pay attention to align all the edges. Cut another number 4 but reverse it, and of course glue all the notches as well. Then cut the piece number 5 from the template number 7 using the same thin uncorrugated cardboard and glue it on top of it. Next, remove the first layer of corrugations inside the patterns here and here using the precision knife.
Don't forget that all the templates that you need to make this armor yourself at home are in the description box below, as well as the tools and products that I use.
Damn it! Did it again.
Cut the piece number 6 from the template number 8. The same way, crush it in the direction of the corrugations to give it a slight curve. Glue the notches. And cut the piece number 7 from the template number 9. Close the notches. And glue it on top of the piece number 6. And crush the corrugations of the cardboard on these notches here and here. Then dig these 3 little holes with your precision knife to make nice holes.
I drill small holes.
Cut the pieces number 8 and 9 from the templates number 5 and 7 and glue them on top of each other. Next, using your precision knife, remove the first layer of corrugations from the inside here. So that you have a nice hole like that. Cut the piece number 11 from the templates number 10. Crush it lightly in the direction of the corrugations. And of course, you guess it, cut another identical one from an uncorrugated cardboard and glue it on top of it. Cut another one to make the outer shoulder, then cut the piece number 12 from the templates number 12 and glue it on top of it. Then, the same way you did for the chest, remove the first layer of corrugations from these holes.
As most of you knows it already, this channel is all about replicating props from movies and TV shows out of cardboard. But maybe you're like, that's great, but I don't have any cardboard or the time to make such things, you nerd. Then what about drawing amazing stills from your favorite movies to decorate your wall, like these? They're pretty cool, aren't they? Well, if you'd like to make drawings like that from the movies you love, then I strongly recommend you to watch a class named Webcomics Essentials, Drawing Comics Using Photo Reference on Skillshare.
In this course by George Foltz, you will learn how to take a still from your favorite movies and create an original comic scene. You will select your frame, learn to sketch your idea, and digitize that sketch into a comic drawing. You will then learn various inking techniques to refine your drawing, and learn George's expert digital rendering and coloring style. Very cool. Other than that, Skillshare is a huge online learning community full of inspiring classes for creative people like you and me. It offers countless hours of educational content on drawing, of course, but also painting, clay sculpting, illustration design, photography, video editing, productivity, lifestyle, you name it, they have a course for it.
So if you'd like to support me and this channel and you'd like to give it a try, the first 1,000 people who use my link in the description box below will receive a 1-month free trial to Skillshare Premium so you can explore your creativity. Just click the first link there in the description below.
Next, make a mix of white glue and water.
What the hell are you cooking?
Then tear pieces of a brown cardboard paper, the same kind you receive within your Amazon deliveries, and soak them in the mix of white glue and water. Remove the surplus of liquids with your fingers and apply it on the entire armor. That will give your armor a very smooth look.
That felt really smooth.
So in the pocket.
Also, if you feel like you could use more extended visuals about a specific part that I might have shown a little bit too fast,
You're too fast.
I want to let you know that I also recorded the entire construction from start to finish and I made a long time-lapse video available for the members of this channel down in the description box below.
Next, cut the piece number 10 from the template number 13, cover it with brown paper too, and color it entirely with a black marker.
It's basically a child's drawing.
And glue it behind in the middle here to connect all the chest parts together. Glue the middle element over here. Then the two upper elements next to it here and here. And the bottom part over here. Now glue several magnets like this on both sides of the chest here and here. don't hesitate to add some glue on the edges to reinforce the connection. And the same way, glue a few more on both shoulder pieces. And of course, you have to match these magnets with the opposed magnet that you'll have to glue on the clothes you want to use as a costume. And then I applied a layer of a glossy varnish on the entire armor.
Pretty cool, isn't it? So all you need to make this armor yourself at home are this tutorial and the templates that you find in my shop in the description box below. But if you want to learn more about how to make Star Wars stuff out of cardboard like Boba Fett helmet, the complete Mandalorian armor, the Stormtrooper helmet and many more, click this playlist right here and of course subscribe if you are not already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Now the cut sentence for this video to put in the comments to confuse everybody who didn't get this far into this video is, quote, "Always remember, your focus determines your reality."